Hello guys, I decided to make this small update instead of waiting a long time and making a full episode about my another BMW project series. So I'm just gonna do quick update what's done and what's going on. So the brakes and the whole suspension on the driver's side is complete. Everything's replaced, everything that was ordered, and I'm gonna show you the pile of parts I had to replace in just 1 second. Let me show you how the brakes turned out. And these are E60 550i brakes. They are a little bit bigger than 535 brakes for station wagon. This is the look of my rear wheels right now. Just regular drilled rotors for 535 station wagon. This is the driver's side look. G2 paint worked awesome. I really like how it turned out. And this is the driver's side. When I'm gonna completely finish everything, like exhaust and assemble everything, then I will do more shots when the car is like in a good lighting conditions. And this is how my exhaust looks right now. Unfortunately, VRSF downpipes did not fit very well with my stock exhaust, so what I had to do, I had to cut my secondary cats, and I'm gonna go to the muffler shop. Actually, I'm gonna take the whole car to the muffler shop, and I will have them modify my exhaust a little bit to make it work, but I think it's gonna be better. Yeah. And this is the pile of parts that was on my car. Actually, those are still good. My original downpipes, I'm probably gonna be selling them on Craigslist. And everything started with just this drive axle. So yeah, and then I started changing those links and went with downpipes and everything. And I know a lot of you guys wondering how 535 sounds without exhaust with just VRSF downpipes. Let me do this for you. It's probably going to be a little louder than normal start. And here we have it, guys. This is how 535 station wagon with N54 engine sounds without exhaust and just VRSF downpipes. I hope you guys enjoyed this small update to my project. I'm waiting for appointment for the muffler shop to modify my exhaust to fit everything correctly. And please stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.